Yes, I finally got some more Prime.
Hey guys, Studio C Fan 77.
Ang takot sa kagabi!
Pizza pie with extra cheese all night. He stuffs his face until his clothes are too tight. Oh no, he will eat anything, even your body. Oh, Mr. Munch, can't you see? Can't you see? Your eating is affecting your density. Every time you eat, everything inside that makes you larger than life. It's true. See you eyeing that food. What's on your mind this time? I wonder. You better think twice before you eat that ball of twine. Yeah. Better run away if we want to stay alive. Oh, Mr. Munch, can't you see? Can't you see? Your eating is affecting your day.